have a new employee or even a new crew? This need not be a problem with EFCO Deck, because EFCO supplies coordinated support, including this step-by-step training video, product catalog, EFCO erection drawings, and job site field service. This is all part of EFCO's wraparound support. EFCO provides you with a support team ready to service your project. The members of your EFCO team for your project are the district engineer to assist with engineering questions, the plant manager for questions regarding shipments and returns of equipment, and the EFCO field service representative for all on-site planning, form erection, and cycling support. In addition, EFCO has the district sales administrator for coordination of the team and possible billing questions. We are also available to help you on your next project. For more information regarding the EFCO Deck system and other EFCO forming systems, contact your territory manager at 1-888-BUY-EFCO or on our website at efcoforms.com.